Yes guys, we're back, and today we're here to talk about rear seat conversions for your Land Rover commercial. We have recently completed a rear seat conversion on this stunning Land Rover Defender 110. This is a service that we offer to the Defender 90s, the Defender 110s and the Discovery commercial vehicles. But as you may have noticed, this Defender 110 looks slightly different to standard, so before we start, let's have a quick look round. So it is quite a labour intensive job to install one of these rear seat conversions, involving ripping out the framing and all the trims from the original load bay, then neatly carpeting and tidying up areas, and then finally installing the seats. And if you want to go that extra little mile, we can activate the electric window operation and switch gear as you would see in a standard Defender. To give you guys a better idea of what that process actually looks like, I did film a little montage of how Josh carried out this service last week, so I'll roll that for you now. So once we've carried out the rear seat conversion on your Land Rover, you'll have a bench of 3 across the back, 3 passengers, 2 with the 3-point belts, 1 with the 2-point belt. They have detachable headrests, and the greatest thing about this conversion is simply there's a safety bolt behind here, pull the lever, which enables you to have a flat load bay as your original Land Rover commercial did. There is also Isofix fittings for both right and left passengers in the vehicle. If you look underneath the seat, you can see the 2 prongs to safely attach car seats. So our rear seat conversions have proven very popular, and for good reason. It's a great way of turning your Land Rover commercial into a versatile space, whether that's for carrying large loads or carrying up to 5 passengers. So if it's something that you're interested in, please drop us a message and we'll get back to you.